What is up, everybody? I am Walt. Here we are with video number 21 in the Life Hack series, 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. Yeah. So, principle 21 is to face your fears. Face your fears? What are you talking about? What is this all about? Why would I face my fears? Well, let's kind of dig into this one a little bit. So, fear. Where is fear in the mind? Well, I will tell you this. Fear here is, if you look at the literal parts of the brain and, of course, your damage to different areas, I would want to say Henry Gage is our founding guy in this field, as a guy with a spike struck through his frontal lobe. You know, Five Nights at Freddy's bite of 87 also, case with the frontal lobe. Frontal lobe, responsible for fear and also a lot of your personality, so you can't exactly want a frontal lobotomy there to get rid of that problem. But yeah, fear. When it comes to the mind, beyond just like the brain, because the mind is not the brain, those are not a connection. The brain is something that maintains the mind, but the mind is not just the brain. So, anyway, the semantics aside, let's get down to the point here. So, the mind. Fear dwells in the mind in the form of these different kind of thought processes that we've been really conditioned to do, where we think, oh, this bad thing's going to happen, this bad thing's going to happen. And one of the best definitions I've read of fear is inverted faith. It's faith in evil and not faith in good. So basically your fear is going to be a case where you believe that bad things are going to happen. And as a result of believing that bad things are going to happen, you're subconsciously going to sabotage yourself so that bad things happen, when instead you can get past that one, okay? When you think with love and act with love and wash away all fear, which I'll give you guys the link to my video about the love-fear dichotomy, and of course my secret to life there, And yeah, I would say that really fear is the problem. It's the thing that dwells in the mind, and it's got many components that make it up: guilt, perfectionism, doubt, the cynic, all those kind of things that really are kind of like bad guys who enforce fear's rules upon the mind, and they can be defeated overall. But the main thing to know about this is that when you work with love, when you act with love, it really can transform your life very easily, because acting with love washes away fear. And the more you can love things, the happier you can be, the less you need to worry about fear. And of course, the more you learn about how fear works, the less power he will have over you. So knowledge really is, power in this case. When you know about this kind of stuff, really can transform your life. So face your fear, find out what you're afraid of, go through and try to dig it up, figure out the problems with your past, and there are even ways to work with your memories to get rid of some of that gunk we have built up about the past, but that's for a different video. So thanks for watching, guys. That's video number 21. I will see you guys with number 22. So stay tuned. See you next time.